What is up, everybody? This is Shields again with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington. Today I'm actually over here in Martinsville, Virginia at Nationwide's location. Going to be taking you through the Heartland 1 lot model that they have set up here. This plan is 1548 square foot, consists of an optional / site-built front porch. I could dress it up something like this. I could do something like this. It is 100% optional. You can take it as far as you want to with the finishes and the size and all that. So let's get in here and take a look. Obviously, I've taken you through quite a few of these Heartland plans, but wanted to show you another one all finished and decorated and all that good stuff. So let's take a look. You're greeted by this nice large open area, which feeds nicely into the kitchen / dining room area. For 1,548 square foot, this is plenty of space. You are seeing the 8-foot ceilings today. Like I say, it opens up nicely to this large island kitchen. You're seeing the ice white cabinets. As far as the flooring goes, we start you with the luxury vinyl plank flooring in the main spaces and wet areas. No lino, no carpet in the living room, nothing like that. You are seeing the optional farmhouse sink, along with the optional sliding glass door off of this dining area. I want you to think of the utility room door, and the front door is standard, and then you have the option to put in that third door. It could be a slider, it could be an atrium, it could be whatever at that point. Here's that walk-in pantry, which is directly off of the kitchen. There is your appliance shelf. So if you're going to stay with the range hood, a lot of people are going to work in this appliance shelf with the outlet there to put your microwave on to save countertop space and all that good stuff. Again, this is the Heartland 1. My name is Shields. I'm with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington, located at 2450 North Church Street in Burlington, North Carolina. Here's that bath 2. Turn the lights on. There we go. And then you have bed 2 and bed 3 here. I'll just show you one for the sake of time. Again, for 1,500 square feet, very generous size spare bedrooms. Okay. I'll show you the closet. Now, the Heartland 1 starts you with a side loading utility room, which I'll get to in a second. I'll just show you this bedroom real quick. Here's that side loading utility room, which is ultra convenient to just walk right in off of your driveway. An incredible size utility room for 1,500 square foot. In this utility room, you've got a few options. You can do the utility room sink. You can do the cubby / storage rack thing here. You can do an optional window on that wall there. And you've got your washer and dryer area there. But look at all that floor space. Tons and tons of utility room space here, which is always nice. As I cross the home, I'm going to be going back through that main space, which is just very nicely done, wide open. Put your TV there. Really good space. Very suitable for entertaining. And then you've got that nice island, which people are crazy about, to kind of gather around and eat your breakfast at, and all that good stuff. So let's get over here to the master suite. And I've said this in other videos, but this Heartland series is hard to beat as far as what you're getting for the price. You're getting that nationwide product as far as the finishes and the options and the quality. And you're getting it at a price that really can't be touched. The Heartland series does a really good job of kind of boiling it down to the core, and then you can kind of pepper in what's important to you. They don't just build a bunch of junk into the price that you may or may not like, which I feel like is a really good way of doing it. This is your standard bathroom layout. So this Heartland 1 and all the Heartland plans starts you with a 60-inch fiberglass shower like you're seeing there, and a very large linen closet. As you've seen in some of my other Heartland videos, I can do the shower in the tub. I can do the bigger showers. All 3 shower sizes are available in the Heartland series. You've seen plenty of those over the years. So just remember that. Got that really nice window there for natural light, which is always a plus. The double vanity, of course, the double drawer bank, all that good stuff. Again, this is the Heartland 1, 1548 square foot. I could put a basement under it. I could go upstairs with it, whatever you'd like to do from here. That is an optional front door. The Heartland series is going to start you with a solid panel door here and off the utility room, but you can option in the Craftsman style doors if that's important to you. I sound like a broken record, but for 1,500 square foot, I mean, this just walks so good. Just nice and open, and it makes sense. There's no wasted space. There's that utility room door again. All right, well, again, my name is Shields. I'm with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington, located at 2450 North Church Street, Burlington, North Carolina, 27217. Our office number is 336-226-9066. If you call, be sure to ask to speak with me, Shields. My email is shields, SHIELDS, @nccustommodulars.com. We have 5 lot models on site. I'd love to have you in, show you around, show you some options, and get the ball rolling for you. So like I said, if you have any questions, you can comment on this video, give me a call at the office, whatever you need to do. Look forward to hearing from you guys. Thank you for all the views. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Like this video if you found it helpful in any way. Comment what you want me to talk about more or less on my next video. You know, tell me to focus more on this, focus more on that. Whatever you need from me, I am more than happy to accommodate it. Thank you guys. Take care.